Hello guys, my name is Prateek and I am from Jabalpur. Last year in the month of June I met an accident and injured my right knee. It was a terrible injury. I was in a lot of pain. Basically, it was a third grade tear of the ACL and the meniscus were damaged as well. Then I went to Dadaria Sir's clinic for the treatment. So the first day I visited him, he had a look on my knee, he had an inspection of the knee, and he suggested me a surgery because there was no other way to treat this. The only way was having a surgery. But at that particular time, operating the knee was not possible because my leg was totally stiff. I cannot move it a bit, and I had a lot of swelling on the knee. So he suggested me few exercises which I need to perform on daily basis. I followed him, I followed his guidelines, and I started performing those exercises for next few weeks. And after 4 to 5 weeks, I had a movement on my knee. I started moving my leg. I was able to walk a bit, and that was the right time to get it operated. So I get it operated, but the only thing which was in my mind and in the mind of my family was that would I be able to walk properly like before, or would it be there any changes in the style of walking? Will I be able to play again or not? Will I be able to run again or not? These were the things coming to our mind again and again after having the surgery. But as per I follow the guidelines given by sir, the exercises he told me to do on the regular basis, I followed everything. I have done the exercises on a regular basis, and trust me guys, I have not visited a single day for any kind of physiotherapy. मैंने घर पे ही सारी एक्सरसाइजेस की रेगुलर बेसिस पे, and it's been 7 months I had my surgery and I am able to walk properly. I perform my daily activities, I go to work, I climb stairs, and I am not facing any kind of problem in walking. Yes, I cannot run in that speed, but it will come with time. It's just 7 months post surgery. So it was a great experience with Dadaria sir. He is totally amazing. Like if I am walking, if I am working today in this manner, I am really thankful to him because at that point of time it was a very bad time for me being on the bed for the entire day, but now I am able to walk. I am going to places, I am meeting people, I am going out, I am driving just because of Dadaria sir. So guys, I just want to suggest you one thing, that if you are facing any kind of injury, it's an accident or it's a sports injury or you have fell from somewhere, any kind of injury, get it treated as soon as possible. Consult to a doctor as soon as possible. Undekha na kare, don't be careless. Injury is small or big, doesn't matter. Get it treated as soon as possible, guys. One more thing, do you know the current circumstances going in the entire world? Coronavirus. So just keep few things in your mind, that wash your hands properly with soap, use sanitizer in frequent intervals, stop putting your hand on your eyes, on your mouth, on your nose, and stay at home, stay with your family, stay happy and stay safe. That's all I want to say. Have a good time everyone.